Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, I am going to show you what I believe to be the most powerful indicator on TradingView. If you're looking to take your trading game to the next level, then you definitely don't want to miss out on this one. So grab a pen and paper because you're going to want to take notes on this one. Let's get started. To add this incredible indicator to our chart, here we click on Indicators and search for Trix. We also add the Trix histogram R112, which is created by someone known as Uncle L. This is the basic version of the Trix indicator, and here we have a newer version with more features to help you analyze chart movements. It acts as an oscillator, moving above and below the center line, which is 0. It's calculated using a triple exponentially smoothed moving average to filter out market noise. When the Trix is above 0, it indicates an uptrend, and when it's below 0, it suggests a downtrend. Crossings of the center line can signal a change in market direction. Unlike some other oscillators, Trix's triple smoothing helps reduce false signals, but it's still important to confirm these signals with other indicators before making trading decisions. In this updated version of Trix, the default length is set at 12 compared to 18 in the older version, leading to slight differences in their appearance. You can choose to display Trix as a line or a histogram in the indicator settings. When Trix is above 0, the histogram turns green, and when below 0, it turns red. The histogram's shades of green and red indicate changes in momentum, with lighter shades suggesting increasing momentum and darker shades indicating weakening momentum. Additionally, a new feature in this version is the orange signal line, which is an 8-period moving average of the Trix line. Crossovers between the Trix line and the signal line can give early signals compared to centerline crossovers, but they may also generate more false signals, especially during pullbacks or in flat markets. It's crucial to filter out these false signals and only consider those aligned with the current market trend. For instance, during a green histogram phase, focus on buy signals as they indicate an uptrend and vice versa for a red histogram phase. Combining Trix signals with price action analysis or other trend indicators can provide a clearer picture of the market's longer-term trend. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more content and trading tips. Good luck with your trading.